Hi, I'm Abhishek Sharma, and I work for Macquarie's Green Investment Group. India has a huge renewable market, and to give you perspective with some numbers, it currently has 100 gigawatts of installed capacity, and it is the fourth largest renewable energy market in the world. However, it is only at the beginning of its green energy journey. The government of India has set an ambitious plan to achieve 450 gigawatts of installed capacity by 2030, of which solar energy alone is expected to be around 300 gigawatts. India is a market of global importance in tackling climate change, and we really believe that the Green Investment Group can really support the Indian government to achieve its ambitious plans. Blueleaf Energy is the Green Investment Group's onshore renewable energy platform, and it specializes in delivering world-class solar projects across the Asia-Pacific region. In January 2021, it completed its investment into Vibrant Energy and entered the Indian renewables market for the first time. With falling costs of renewables from wind and solar, and regulation which permits corporates to procure power directly from renewable projects, the corporates of India have an opportunity to not only make significant savings to their power costs, whilst at the same time achieving their green targets. This has been a great achievement for the Green Investment Group and Blueleaf Energy teams involved to helping complete this transaction. And this was despite COVID and all of the challenges that came with it over these past 18 months. Personally, having been involved from the first day of origination to now in helping to manage the business, I believe I have the unique opportunity to support in building a world-class renewable business with leading safety and environmental standards, and it can become a market leader in providing renewable solutions to corporates. India is a market of global importance, and there is no denying that it is full of potential. The Macquarie Group has an extensive track record of infrastructure investments in India, and we really want to do more. I was delighted to hear of the recent launch of the Climate Finance Leadership Initiative India that is supported by the governments of India and the UK and co-chaired by the leaders of Macquarie and the Tata Group. Now, this will provide further impetus to mobilize large-scale capital that is required to meet the needs of the people of India.